Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you some trick and tips Google Chrome. So firstly, how to access developer tools in Google Chrome. So very easy. Firstly, click on open browser, click on three dots, click on more tools, and here is the developer tools. So developer tools, our information, controls, scrolls, network, and computed stand DOM, backpoint, properties, assembled. See the all information, developer tools. And other how to open private and incognito browsing mode. So very easy and simple. So firstly, open Google Chrome on three dots. You will see three features. Now click in this one, new incognito windows. So you will see black open window. Now con browsing private and other people who is this device won't see you activity, who else downloads and bookmark will be saved. Chrome won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies and shared data, information entered in forms, and your activity might still be visit to websites you'll visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider. So it is very useful after your search. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.